Is it ready?
Yep, we're ready.
Okay. I am going to jump off this deck.
Wow.
It's easy. Looks like that.
Oh, there's Haley. Hi, Will.
Look at me.
Wow. What are you doing? Surfing down the slide?
Yeah.
There's Daddy. Hi, Dad. Hi, Haley.
Haley, hop in the wagon. I'm going to lift up the wagon with Haley in it.
Well, does Haley want to do that?
Haley, come on down. That's here. Let's go up here. Look into the tunnel. Look into the tunnel.
What are you doing?
Turn it around like that. Now I'm going to go down the slide. Let's go. Hey, Jill.
Yep.
Tape it.
I'm taping.
I'm going to go down these slides that has a wagon under it, and that's making it crooked. Woo!
Wow.
And I can climb up it too. And down.
Will's getting excited. Uh-oh.
And down.
Wow. Haley, are you going to come down?
No.
Why?
Hi, Haley.
Hi, Jill.
Hi. Say hi to Will, too.
Hi, Will. Will.
Will, Haley's talking to you. There he's.
Jill,
Yeah.
you take this.
What was on the truck?
But don't run yet.
Let me find out.
Okay, ready. Is it running?
Yeah.
I'm going to make a ginormous bubble.
Oh, guess what? We have a surprise for you. We bought you a present.
Awesome.
Mark, can you get Haley down?
Okay, I'm ready.
Oh,
Go down the slide.
careful of those roots. Oh, you're okay.
I'm ready.
Okay.
I can. This might go wrong and make a bunch, but I can make a really big bubble.
Do you want me to go get what we got for you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.